Hi guys, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this car, which is a 1997 Daimler 6. That's a 4 litre 6 cylinder. Now sorry about the probably the reflections off the car. We've had nothing but, I've been putting this video off for about 3 days now. We've had nothing but rain, and now we've still got drizzle on the car, but then intermittent bright sunshine. So I couldn't wait any longer to do this video because we need to get this car on our website ready for sale. It's just literally turned 37,000 miles. Now, we had sold this car once before, a couple of years ago. We sold it to a regular buyer of ours, a car collector from Wakefield. Now, he's thinning his collection down because he's of very, very poor health. And this car now is one of the first ones to come back from him. He did about 140 miles in it, maybe even less than that, in his 2-year ownership. The car's had a brand new battery. After inspection, once we got the car back here, we did an oil and filter on it, an air filter, just as a matter of course. We'd already done it 140 odd miles ago, a couple of years ago, but we just thought, well, we'll get it done while it was in. We've also this time noticed a couple of top shock absorber bushers had perished with it being stood, so we've put 2 brand new front shock absorbers on it and all new bushers. So they've been done. Last time we had it, we put new number plates on, had all the wheels refurbished and put 4 brand new Pirelli tyres on it. So it's got 4 matching Pirelli tyres. The wheels are absolutely immaculate, as you can see. It's got the lovely contrasting grey coach line, and it's the long wheelbase version for those who've already spotted the extended back door. We'll have a look inside in a second, but I just want to show you around the outside. The car is running and it's so quiet and smooth, but again, just as expected really, isn't it? You know, the car's only done literally just turned 37,000 miles. It's got full documented service history, and like I say, we've had it in twice now and we've serviced it twice. The first time it had a thorough service, new plugs and bits and pieces, new fuel filter, everything it needed, and then of course we've just freshened everything up, given it another machine polish, another ceramic coating. This time we've got it in. So yeah, new wiper blade, new shape wiper blade as well, new style, so it looks just a bit cleaner cut. But as you can see, it's in Pacific blue, absolutely unmarked. Yeah, as you can see there, it's also got the rear window blind, electric aerial, lovely badges at the back, lovely lights, no cracked light lenses, no scuffs on bumpers, no dents. There you go, boot lid works on the button like it should. As you can see there, triangle in there, boot looks like it's never been used, does it? Lovely all around the edges of the aperture there, boot aperture. Right, let's have a look in. So there's your spare wheel with a Pirelli tyre on, and the jack and locking wheel nut and everything's underneath that. We've already had all that to pieces. Obviously battery under there, new battery, boot plinth, lovely. You'll have to excuse a few spots of rain on it, but it just keeps on, it's not raining very hard, but it's drizzling a little bit. Right, let's have a look inside. In the rear of the car, I mean, look at that. Absolutely. Is that the best place to be in the world when you're travelling down the road? You know, you got to appreciate the just craftsmanship in these. What a beautiful car. Jaguar really turned the corner when they made the X300, which is what this is. And of course the Daimler, with all the hand stitching in there and inlays in the walnut veneers, which are all perfect in the car. There's no lacquer coming off, there's no cracking, there's no water damage. Beautiful Daimler kick steps. We put a brand spanking new carpet set in there, but as you can see, look, the carpets inside are brand new anyway. You know, they look absolutely mint. All the picnic tables are perfect. Stitching around all the leather at the back's perfect. Just put that one down there. As you can see, inlay in it's perfect. This car got the armrest in the back. We fitted a new headline into this 2 years ago. Obviously sunroof model, tilt and slide, and the headlining is still absolutely perfect. It's even got the facility there so a rear passenger can actually move the seat, tilt the backrest of the seat and move it forward on the runners as well to get even more leg room. I'm not really sure why you'd want any more than that, but maybe you just want to lie down. But yeah, absolutely. I mean, look at it in the back. It's to say somebody's bought a long wheelbase version to obviously be able to have people in the back and ride in the back. It doesn't look like it's ever been sat in to me. All the chrome around the doors, perfect. Again, walnut on the doors, beautiful. Walnut on the dashboard, brilliant. Center console, lovely. It's got the cup holders in the center console which work correctly. Real nice clean compartment, storage compartment underneath the armrest. It's got a lovely clean glove box, no stains or marks in there. But again, yeah, lovely. All the seats perfect. Let's just excuse me, walk around here. Hopefully you can see how good this is, well, or begin to see how good this is on the video. I know they don't always show everything up as clear as what we would hope, but you've really got to see this car in the flesh. It's absolutely impeccable. I mean, look at the veneers there. I mean, they're just like a work of art, really, aren't they? You know, very expensive car when this was new. You know, in its day, it was very expensive. Not as much as, obviously, an S-Class Mercedes, but I think they were overpriced, to be honest. Right, let's just get this paper matting out. It's got the memory seats, 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. It's got, obviously, power steering, airbags. It's got your cruise control at this side here. It's got your trip computer. I knew that was going to happen with the paper mats. It's a bit windy as well. Let's see what else it's in there. It's got your radio cassette original system in, which works absolutely fine. Air conditioning, what can I say? Ice cold. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely ice cold. Yeah, lovely. It would help if I turned it on. It was still coming through cool then. Oh yeah, here we go. You can feel it straight away. Yeah, no problems with that, is there? You've got your sunglasses holder up there. And of course all your wood veneer even around the matte reading lights. Yeah, it's lovely. I still think you could do with probably a bit more of a polish on that wood. There's no marks on it, but it just wants a bit of a wipe over. But yeah, you got your sports function on the gearbox as well. Oh yeah, it's coming through absolutely ice cold, is that? Really lovely, very nice. As you can see there, it's done 37,000 miles, well, 37,081 miles. That's it, lovely. It's perfect. I actually drove this back from the previous owner so I could make sure everything was okay on it. Here we go. That's the 6-cylinder engine, the AJ16 as it's known. Absolutely immaculate. No even surface rust on the spanners or anything. It absolutely like brand new, that toolkit. And you can hear it running there. Absolutely sweet as a nut. No problems at all. Let's go around to this side. As you can see on the bonnet, no chips on the bonnet, no chips or damage on the bumpers. And this fan's just cutting in now because we've had it running out here for probably about 25 minutes, something like that. And even though it's raining and windy and it's still quite warm today, I'm in my t-shirt. So there you go. As you can see there, we've put new shockers on both sides. You can't really see under this one as well because we have to have the coolant reservoir out of the way. But yeah, perfect. Absolutely steady as a rock. Nothing wrong with that at all. Lovely car. Really, really, really lovely car. No chips in or cracks in the windscreen. No rust on the roof. No corrosion on the bodywork of this car whatsoever. Arches are all perfect. Sills are perfect. Door bottoms are perfect. We'll just give you a couple of walks around to make sure that you're getting the full gist of it. It stands really, really proud in this colour, in Pacific blue, with obviously its coach line. Yeah, absolutely beautiful that. So hopefully you can see how good this car is from the video, despite the spots of rain and the sun blinding us at various times. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. Now this car is for sale, and it's priced at £15,995. It's a collector's car, this. It's in sure condition. It's a collector's car. It's a good investment, and it's a rare car. I think they made just over 1,000 of these in long wheelbase, basically for worldwide market. So there won't be many around like this and in this condition and with that low mileage. Yeah. No cracked light lenses at the front, no cracked fog lights, no damaged headlights, no scuffs on bumpers, just a proper car, shod with basically brand new Pirelli tyres all around. Chrome door handles on it on the outside, but yeah, what a machine. All inquiries are welcome. If you'd like to give us a call on the usual number, which is 07759 938 395. I'll be happy to answer any questions or give anybody any help or advice. And we look forward to hearing from you. If you'd rather email us, just email us on sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. And if you please, just go onto our Facebook business page, which is The Malton Motor Company. You'll always see more photographs and obviously the link to the video, but you'll see loads more photographs than what you ever will on our website, because they only allow us to put 25 on there. We can put up to 70, 80, 90 pictures on Facebook on our business page. So please always look on there. Please like our business page, and then you'll get, or follow us, and you'll get notifications of all the cars that we put on. But yeah, what a machine. Someone's going to get absolutely just a mega car, mega value for money. And this car, as a 4 litre, will return on a long run 30 to the gallon, no problem whatsoever. Round town, if you're knocking about round town, yeah, all right, you'll get 22, 23, maybe 24, but generally speaking, on a run, these will hit 30 to the gallon. If you just cruise control 70 down the motorway for 100 miles, whatever, you'll get 30 to the gallon. We've used these cars ourselves, we know what they're like. Classic car insurance probably now on a car this age, but nothing left to spend on the car. Doesn't need any tyres, doesn't need any brakes, doesn't need anything doing. The car will be sold with 12 months full independent MOT. We take it up the road, they do it for us. Any advisories, if there is any, I can't see that there will be, but if there is any, then we would do them before it goes out, no problem. But yeah, there it is, there's the car. So give us a shout on the numbers I've already mentioned, and we look forward to your contact. Thanks very much. Bye for now.